Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a true masterpiece of luxury and performance, the 2025 BMW M8. Buckle up, because this one's going to be an adrenaline-fueled ride filled with power, elegance, and pure driving pleasure. If you thought BMW had already reached the pinnacle of grand touring with the previous M8, think again. The 2025 version doesn't just push the envelope, it rips it wide open. First off, let's talk about the heart of this beast, the engine. BMW has equipped the 2025 M8 with a 4.4-liter twin-turbo VE8 that delivers a jaw-dropping 635 horsepower and 553 lve-pf of torque. That's supercar territory, but what's really impressive is how smooth and refined it feels. Step on the throttle and it rockets from 0 to 60 knots in just 3.7 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, 3 seconds flat. But the real magic is how seamlessly that power is delivered. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving up a mountain road, the M8 feels like it's always in its element. Now, BMW didn't just focus on raw power, they've fine-tuned the handling to perfection. The M8 comes with an advanced xDrive all-wheel drive system that offers incredible grip, but with a twist. You can actually switch it to rear-wheel drive if you're feeling adventurous. Imagine having all that control when you need it, but also the option to kick out the rear and have some fun. The suspension is adaptive too, meaning it adjusts in real time to give you the perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. It's the kind of tech that makes you feel like the car is reading your mind. Let's not forget about the design though. The M8 has always been a stunner, and the 2025 model takes things to a whole new level. Up front, you get a bold kidney grille flanked by sleek laser headlights that not only look cool but also light up the road like it's daytime. The sculpted hood and aggressive air intake scream performance, while the side profile exudes elegance with its flowing lines and muscular stance. And those wheels? A set of 20-inch forged alloys that perfectly complement the whole look. Step inside, and it's like entering a 5-star lounge. BMW has gone all out with premium materials. Think merino leather, carbon fiber trims, and Alcantara accents. The seats are not just comfortable, they're customizable to your exact preferences, with heating, cooling, and even massage functions. The center console houses a crystal gear shifter that adds a touch of luxury, and the ambient lighting lets you set the mood, whether you're in a spirited driving mood or a dreamy one. Of course, it wouldn't be a BMW without cutting-edge tech. The M8 comes equipped with BMW's latest iDrive 8 system, displayed on a massive curved screen that seamlessly integrates the digital instrument cluster and infotainment. Navigation is buttery smooth, and you get all the connectivity options you could ask for, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And let's talk sound. The M8 offers a Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system that transforms the cabin into a concert hall. Trust me, you'll want to blast your favorite tracks just to experience it. Safety and driver assistance features are top-notch too. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a host of other features that make driving easier and safer. But what's cool is that none of these systems feel intrusive. They're there when you need them, but fade into the background when you just want to enjoy the drive. Customization is another highlight. BMW knows its my customers want something unique, so you can choose from a range of exclusive colors, interior trims, and even bespoke options from BMW's individual program. Want a custom color that matches your personality? Done. How about a bespoke leather interior? Consider it sorted. Fuel efficiency might not be your top concern with a car like this, but BMW has made strides in making the M8 more eco-friendly. Thanks to a mild hybrid system, it's not just about performance, it's also about being responsible. Plus, the start-stop system works so seamlessly that you barely notice it, helping to save fuel without sacrificing any of that signature-mate excitement. Driving the Mate is an experience that's hard to put into words. It's not just about speed or luxury. It's about how everything comes together to create something truly special. The steering is precise, the brakes are razor sharp, and the sound of that Vate, absolutely intoxicating. It's the kind of car that makes every drive feel like an event. So, who is the 2025 BMW M8 for? It's for the person who wants it all: power, luxury, technology, and exclusivity all wrapped into one stunning package. It's a car that makes a statement without even trying, and behind the wheel, you'll feel like you own the road. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2025 BMW M8. If you're as impressed as I am, hit that like button and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, because there's plenty more automotive excitement coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.